Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making some coloured acrylics. I've been playing around for the past few days and I thought I'd come on here and share it with you. So this pink you see on my nails I made here out of I believe it was eyeshadow. Was it eyeshadow or blusher? One of the two, but I really love the colour. Also I made like a mint green and a baby pink, and I also I did a haul the other day from things I got from AliExpress, and I picked up some of their glow in the dark powders and I just made small ones just to try them out really. There's a pink and this a luminous yellow. On the screen it's coming up green, but it's not. It's a luminous yellow. So today I want to be making an orange. So I got this pigment from AliExpress. So you're going to need any pot. So I've got this glass one. Clear acrylic. This one is Crystal Clear from Naio Nails. So yeah, it's and a little. I've got this cuticle pusher, but I'll just use that. So yeah, that's it really. It's as simple as that. I don't go by measurement. I just go by eye. So I will pour some in here. That should be enough. So yeah, there's quite a bit in there. And then this orange pigment, I'm just gonna start with that. Give it a little mix. Put the lid on and give it a shit. See that? Oh dear. I'm not even going to stress over it. See, I could edit that out, but I am real. Mistakes happen. Okay, so let's. What am I going to do with this now? Can I use to move it? I use this. Okay, so just ignore that. Okay, I'll go with tissue. Try this out and see if it's pigmented enough, or I can also add some more, which is not a problem. Yeah. Something in there. Oh, still there. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more. Scoop it up. knew I'd drop it. I'm so clumsy. So clumsy. Okay, let's try this again. Ooh, tiny bead. Too tiny. Yeah, that's much better. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. So really, that is it. Clean off my brush. That's it. It's as simple as that. Just eye it. I don't measure at all. Just eye and test it. Obviously, if it's not pigmented enough, then add more. Remember, more is less. You can add more, but you can't take away. So just do little by little. Anyway, that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.